Mail time, mail time, mail time, mail time. Oh yeah, mail time. I got a package from Rik Thomas. Really cool dude. Writes really nice comments on well, a lot of chats that I'm in, Michelle's in. He leaves nice comments, so thank you, Rik. He's a funny guy, cool dude. He was gonna have a contest. He was gonna start his channel and do a contest and give away some knives, and he decided that he did not have time to do that and asked me if I wanted one of the knives. And my answer was yeah. So here we go. Without further ado, I'm like a kid in a candy store. Kid in a candy store. Benchmark. Benchmark. Oh wow, this is awesome. This is like all tactical and cool looking. We got a, let's see what we got here. A malice clip right here. I think, I'm not 100% sure, but I think it goes through these straps right here. Let's see if I can get it in there. Anyways, I'll do that later. Too excited to look at the knife. Okay. So, cool, 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 cool. It's got a little thing to help open it. And then this sticks right there. The unveiling. That is nice. That is nice. Looks like you can take the belt clip off, put it on the other side if you're so inclined. And it has a lock right here for the spring. Lock right there for the spring. So lock it, unlock that. And then this button right here you push. That is awesome. That is super sweet. Super sweet, just like Rik. Yes, sirree Bob. Look at that puppy. That is nice. Got a lanyard hole in it. It's got a piece of metal sticking out right here where you could possibly break open your window or something. But nobody's gonna mess with me with that. No, 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 no. Ooh, I can't tell you how happy I am about this knife. This is awesome. This is so awesome. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that this goes like this. Or like this. Okay, something like that. I'll figure it out. I'll look online, figure out how it goes on there for sure. But But, I mean, super cool. You know, I could even put a ferrocerium rod in here for starting fires. I really like how it feels too. This is really, really nice. I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much, Rik. He is going to be hopefully starting some videos here pretty soon. I know that he told me that he bought something for his Mosin, some type of an angel something stock. I'm sorry, I can't think of it right now. For his Mosin, and I would love to see that on a video. So, but stick around because he's got more coming up. I'm hoping he's got some videos coming up. Please, please, please. And Michelle, one of these. He's got one of these for you, girl. So, go claim that. Go claim that. This is sweet. And if she don't claim it, I'll take the other one. Peace. Thanks, Rik. That's awesome.